In this video, I'll guide you through how to sign up on GoDaddy step by step so you can quickly create your account and get ready to manage domains, websites, or email services. We'll keep things simple and clear, so even if this is your first time using GoDaddy, you'll know exactly what to do. First, open your web browser and go to godaddy.com. Take a moment to make sure you're on the official site, since you'll be creating an account that you'll likely use for important services like domains and hosting. Once the homepage loads, look toward the top of the screen for the sign in option. Click on sign in, and from the drop down or menu that appears, select create my account. This is what starts the sign up process. After you click create my account, GoDaddy will show you a few different options for how you want to set up your account. This is where you choose the sign up method that works best for you. You can sign up using your email address, or you can use a one-click setup with your Google or Facebook account. If you prefer using your email, you'll typically be asked to enter your email address, create a secure password, and sometimes add a username. When choosing a password, go for something strong and unique that you don't reuse on other sites. This helps keep your account safe, especially since domain and billing information can be sensitive. If you'd like a faster setup and you already use Google or Facebook, you can choose one of those one-click options instead. When you click Google or Facebook, GoDaddy will ask for permission to connect to that account. Follow the prompts in the small window or new tab that appears and confirm that you want to continue. Once you approve it, GoDaddy will create your new account based on that login, which means you won't need to remember a separate username and password specifically for GoDaddy. Whichever method you choose, take a second to review the information on the screen before you continue. Make sure your email is typed correctly, since this is where important notifications and recovery links will be sent. If there are any terms or policies shown, it's a good idea to at least skim them so you understand how your account and data will be handled. After you confirm your details and complete the sign up, GoDaddy may send a verification email to the address you used. Open your inbox, find the message from GoDaddy, and click the verification link if you see one. Verifying your email helps prevent issues signing in later and can be required for some services. Once that's done, your new GoDaddy account is ready to use. You can now sign in, start searching for domain names, explore hosting options, or set up other services all from your new account.